I'm Austin, and today I'm going to show you how to take out the secret turret top in the Ford Bronco Heritage Edition. All right, let's go check out the back. All right, so we're going to start out by sliding this front seat forward and making it accessible to get to the back.
I know that there's more than meets the eye, 'cause you light up my world tonight. So we should be.
You're going to have these two clips here. You're going to bring this one forward, and we're going to sling this around.
'Cause if the sky is an ocean.
Okay, now that we got these clips unattached, let's go ahead and take this top off. Super sweet and simple. All you got to do is detach two clips and you're having fun in the sun. See, now what makes this cool is that you can have some passengers in the back. They can get a little more air, a little more sunlight. They can hang their hands out the top while you're going down the road. And if you want, you can even stand up and stick your head out. You're on a date, you can hang out in the back seat with your significant other and check out the stars. What else can you do? If you're bald, you can get a good tan on the top of that head. Don't use that, but if you're out on an outdoor excursion, you can go ahead and you can take pictures right out the top of your nature life, animal life. What makes this even better is that we can go ahead and we can take off the front too as well. Same thing. You got your two clips here, your two clips here. And then you got your two in the back. And we can go ahead and take each one off.
Take a look. Just use them.